अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Let's continue with our era for Faili Mudari. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn about the lightest or the majzoom state of the Faili Mudari. We learn about the marfu state, we learn about the mansoob state of fi'l mudari, and today inshallah we learn about the majzoom or the light state of the fi'l mudari. We can see three signs of majzoom state or the jazm state for fi'l mudari. When a fi'l mudari is in the state of it has a jazm or the sukoon. When it is hasf noon, and when we have the hazf of the huruf illa. So we learn about the fi'l mudari marfu state that it can be seen with two signs, dhamma and the subut noon. Then we have the mansoob state in which we learn about the fatha and the hasf noon. But for the majzoom state, we'll see three states. Either our fi'l mudari will have a sukoon or jism, we call it, or it will have the dropping of the noon, or it will have the dropping of the harfi illa. So let's learn. Alamat jazm fi'l mudari. So the signs of the jazm fi'l mudari, we have sukoon or the jazm, hasf noon or the hasf harfi illa. Sukoon can only be seen when we have the sahi akhir or we have the last letter sahi, not the harfi illa like alif or ya. Then hasf noon we know that hasf noon can only be, or subut noon can only be seen in afal al khamsa. Then we have harf illa for mu'tal lil akhir, that is alif, waw or ya. And alhamdulillah, I hope that now you are well aware of the mu'tal lil akhir term, that when we have the last letter as our harf illa. It can be alif, it can be waw, it can be ya. This is the breakdown for, or the flow chart for the alamat of the jazm fi'l mudari. We have sukoon, we have has, noon, and we have has harf illa. We know that for sukoon, the last letter will be sahi akhir, like we can see in yazhab. Yazhab. We know that here for the dhamma or the marfu state, for the marfu state we have the dhamma. For the mansoob state we have the fatha. For the sukoon state or the jazm state we have the sukoon. Then we have hasfin noon. Let's see this one first. We know that for afal al khamsa, that's the dropping of the noon, and that is the same sign for the mansoob state as well. Yaktuba, taktuba, yaktubi. But how we are going to recognize them? When these afal are preceded by the harfi nasab, we know that it's the mansoob word. When it is we see, or it is affected by, and when it is attached with the huruf jazma lil mudari, we know that that word, the next word is uh, the majzoom word for fi'l mudari. Then we have harf illa, and that is the hazf of the, or the dropping of the harf illa, and that is same for all the alif, waw, and ya. Unlike we remember when we learn about the fatha, that for mu'tal al akhir we have two states of the fatha, dhamma and the muqaddara, and for the visible and the muqaddara, the zahira and the muqaddara. Then we have for the dhamma as well, the muqaddara and the zahira. But here for mu'tal al-akhir, for jazm state, for fi'l mudari, we have only one type, and that is the dropping of the harf illa. And that is for alif, for ya, and the waw same. We're only going to drop the waw, like yabka, yata'ala, we dropping of the alif maksura here. Yasmu, Yasmu, we have the dropping of the waw. Yermi, the dropping of the ya. These are all, you know that these are only attached or affected by the harf jazma. So this is all the flowchart for the alamat of the علامات of the جزم فعل مضارع سكون حذف حرف إلا حذف النون. Right? Let's see the example how we are going to write the i'rab for the مجزوم state. لم تكذبا. لم أداة الجزم تكذبا فعل مضارع مجزوم. فعل مضارع مجزوم. How do we know that? بلم. We know that لم is the حرف جازمة. وعلامة جزم حذف النون لأنه من الأفعال الخمسة وألف اثنين is file. ألف اثنين is a file. We know that here ألف اثنين is a file. Here واو الجماعة is a file. Here يا مخاطبة is a file. So let's see. لم تكذبوا. لم is أداة الجزم. تكذبوا فعل مضارع مجزوم بلم وعلامة جزم حذف النون لأنه من الأفعال الخمسة. لأنه من الأفعال الخمسة. واو الجماعة and واو الجماعة is a file. We know that أفعال الخمسة are with attached with the three pronouns, the three files, ألف اثنين, واو الجمع, and يا مخاطب. Then we have لم تكذبي. لم تكذبي. لم is أداة جزم. We know that تكذبي فعل مضارع مجزوم. فعل مضارع مجزوم now بلم وعلامة جزم حذف النون dropping of the noon. تكذبي. تكذبين becomes تكذبي. لأنه من الأفعال الخمسة يا مخاطبة is a file here. الحمد لله. Now let's see here الحروف الناصبة للمضارع and inshallah we'll continue that in the next session. بارك الله لي ولكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.